So, hello everyone, welcome to our next video. It's a live stream. It's today the 4th of December 2020 and we have Friday. So for the viewers in Thailand, have a very good morning, hello, and the others in Vienna or elsewhere, maybe in Vienna you have now, it's night time, so not everybody can watch me in my video, but maybe the one or the other person is watching the video later. So I start soon with my explanations. Last time I was talking about shoulder formation in the Nasdaq composite, and today I want to talk about that first, and then my predictions about the market, about the Nasdaq in general, and how I came to my last trading decisions, how I was working and how I made my decision to trade one more stock. So let's start with the Nasdaq. I open everything in the online. I open everything in the Internet Explorer or in the browser. I just have here a warning, please check the video resolution, the current resolution. Which is not optimal. Okay. Okay, but I don't do that now. I think I leave it like that, or just change the settings. Additional settings, no, I don't do that now. I hope that you can see everything and can see me and things I want to explain here on my screen now at the moment. I hope you can see everything. So I start with the Nasdaq. Last time I was talking about a shoulder formation, and I open now the 6-month chart of the Nasdaq composite. And last time I made my video, I looked at this formation here from, let's say, end of August, or in the middle of August, or something like that, till here, 24th of September, and we had two peaks, two shoulders. Here's the one shoulder, here is the head, and here's the other shoulder. And I told you it's very dangerous now. It could be like a formation that leads to a decrease in the prices of the index or stocks. Let's explain the index first. The index, like the Nasdaq composite, it contains a lot of stocks, and it displays the stocks on an average level, not average, but I don't want to go too much in details. It's just a lot of stocks are in the Nasdaq composite, and yeah. So back to the head-shoulder formation. It was maybe a head-shoulder formation, but it didn't lead to a decrease in the prices. I was making the first video of I was very optimistic. I said it's going up more than 12,000 and something like that, and one day later I made the second video about the head-shoulder formation I was seeing in the chart. I show you again short time. Here the 6th of August, then here the 15th of September, and the head would be the 2nd September, so in the middle. But as I told you before, it didn't lead to a decrease in the prices of the stocks or a decrease in the Nasdaq composite. It happened exactly the opposite. The stocks went up, what made me happy too. I made some stop losses, but I didn't sell anything. Stop loss is you sell it automatically. If it reaches a certain point, a certain price in the share, then it will be sold automatically. And yeah, it led it's going up. The stocks, the market is going up, and we are now on a level, you can see it here, Thursday, 3rd December, 12,377, so more than 12,000 points. And when I made the video, I'm not sure when it was, but it was somewhere here, end of I'm not sure, but I said, yeah, maybe it's going over 12,000, could be something like that, and now it happened. So that makes me happy a little bit for a while. So I'm just show you my favorite stocks and my new stock I bought. The one is Tesla. Everybody knows that. It's like now the biggest car producing company in the world. They say it has the highest stock price, I think so, of all car producing companies in the world. Tesla. And yeah, just to show you something of the chart, here's the 1 year chart. Looks nice. So if you started to buy with a price of, this is the dollar chart, if you started to buy with a price of $100, you have 6 times more money now. If you started to trade on 10th January 2020, for instance. Yeah, not much to say about that. The chart says everything, I think so. It's like an explosion. A lot of people are interested in that stock at the moment, and it makes a lot of fun to trade with that. And who knows, is it a bubble, is it not a bubble? I mean, if you are a little bit experienced in trading, then I would say I made one time a very big loss with Bitcoin Group SE, and I lost almost half of my money. And you know how long it took me to lose half of my money? One day. It took me one day. So it could happen with Tesla too. If you lose 50% in one day, then you are not happy anymore. Yeah, I mean, if the stock is crashing for one day 40 or 50% minus, then you're not happy anymore. But if it's continuing to grow like now, then you can make money. And that's the worst case scenario. The worst case scenario is one day 40% minus. And if you can make an investment which doesn't hurt yourself, I mean, you don't care much about that money, you think it's I want to risk something, then why not? You can try Tesla because it's going up all the time. Just to explain the chart short time, this was like a little bit sideways movement from, let's say here, 18th of August till 13th of November. And you see here 400, between 400 it was going not much up, not much down, little bit. I mean, little bit is relative, but it didn't go much down or much up. And then it happened on the 16th of November 2020. In this time period, the Tesla stock was becoming a member of the S&P 500, which is a big index, and then the stock exploded again. It went up. So 16th of November till 3rd December, almost 2 weeks, and we have like I can open the month chart. Here it's easier. If you start with 400 and you go to, or here 400 and you go to almost 600, you can calculate. I don't calculate because I don't want to make a mistake now, a big mistake, but it's a lot. It's a lot. 400, it went up a lot. This is the 5-day chart, this is the month chart, and this is the 6-month chart. So you can look for yourself, just put Tesla or whatever you like in the Google, and in the Google box, and then you can see, don't forget to add stock, because if you put in Tesla, you get advertisement and something about the company and something like that. But if you add Tesla stock, then you can look at the stock and at the chart of the stock every day. You can see how it goes, right? So my last trading decision, short time, and then we will end the stream. My last trading decision, how I did that. I looked on a German website, finanzen.net, And then I looked at the Nasdaq composite because I like that index. I show you again how I found my last stock. Nasdaq. I opened the Nasdaq and then I looked here, top and flop. Top flop. Top are the best shares and flop are the worst shares. Sure, that's logically maybe a little bit. So we have top and flop, and what is interesting here, this is just for one day. For instance, here Walgreens is on the top, and here you see the red stocks are flops, the green stocks here on the left side, green top, red flop. So, and then I opened, now it's getting interesting. I opened, for instance, the 3-month top flop list, and in the 3 months top flop list, I think it's more interesting because you have like the development of a chart of a stock for a longer period of time, not just one day, because you know a stock can increase in price in one day 5% and the next day have a decrease of 6% or whatever. But if you see here, the 3-month top flop list is more interesting, because you can see here how the stocks have developed in 3 months and the top performers, and here on the left side. And I have chosen Micron technology because it is 40% in 3 months increase, and the probability, I think so, that it's going up with the Nasdaq is higher than the probability of it's going down with the Nasdaq. So I have chosen Micron technology, and I have it now in my portfolio. What else do I have? Apple and Amazon and Tesla. But Amazon and Apple are a little bit, maybe I show you next time the charts of these two stocks, because it doesn't have to be too long, the video. I mean, I would be interested, but it's okay for today. Yeah, Micron, I show you the 6 months top flop performer. And where's Micron here? Not easy to find. Okay, the 6 month is not so good. I cannot find it here. I show you the chart is better. In the 3 months, it was a top performer in the 3 months, in the last 3 months. And I looked at the chart too, and I show you the chart of Micron. Short time. Why did I choose this stock? I liked the chart probably. So 1 month. 1 month looks good, 6 months looks even better. It went here up. If I open the 1 year chart, in the 1 year chart you have a higher price than 1 year ago, and it's a breakthrough. I would say it's more than the peak here. Yeah, it's I just selected it because it's on under the top performer. I could have taken a line, for instance, too, but I started with Micron and I wait a little bit. It could go down too, sure, but on the long run it's maybe a good peak. And if it's going too much, if it's decreasing too much, I will sell it again. So it's just, I tried it yesterday and we will see how it goes. So I explained the Nasdaq. I made a short summary of what I told you last time. I showed you the Nasdaq composite chart. I said something about the Tesla stock and my last peak, the Micron stock. And I think that's it. So thank you for watching. See you maybe next time. Have a nice day. And it's Friday, so enjoy your weekend. See you soon. Goodbye.